With the battery shell is roughly steel, aluminum, or aluminum plastic film. With the batteries have electricity or without electricity. Can be mixed into the broken crusher. Crush the battery debris through the conveyor belt into the proportion of screening machine. Screening machine work to separate the iron filings, aluminum scrap and negative fragments, and the positive fragments and the separators 3. The positive and the separator mixed by the conveyor belt into the resistance seater for aluminum glue separation and to the hybrid. After crushing and sieving to get the battery cathode powder and aluminum powder, during the dust and gas generated by the universal collector vacuum water treatment, to avoid the damage to the environment and wear and tear. From the crushing process of positive electrode powder, the first step is to recovery of lithium by mixing the positive powder and reducing agent mixing heating. The raw material reduction from lithium carbonate and the material precursor, and then reduced with pure water lithium technology through separation, concentration filters press filter twice, so that the precursor and lithium carbonate completely separated during the pure water can be recycled without wastewater discharge. From the lithium extraction process generated before, the belt is slide into the carbonated tank decomposition, and then by anti-corrosion pump, pumping the acid into the manganese extraction tank plus corresponding accessories, heavy manganese, and then through the filter press to reduce manganese sulfate. With the same method with corresponding auxiliary from the cobalt extraction tank and nickel extraction tank through the filter, press to reduce cobalt sulfate and nickel sulfate. The wastewater generated during the wastewater treatment plant through the pH value and heavy metal precipitation filter press recovery to ensure drainage without environmental problems.